Hey y'all, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another video for you guys. So today's hair is coming from ISEE Hair, and we're going to be talking about their Crown series, which I know you guys saw the intro, and I know I've said before, like, this is my favorite straight hair, but you guys, this literally beats all that. So this is the construction of the wig. It is a frontal. I'll leave exactly what down below, and I'm pretty sure this is HD lace. But yeah, this Crown series, the packaging was bomb. This wig and this hair, if you're looking for a straight wig, you guys, this is the one. So it came with some lashes, a wig cap. If you guys can tell me, what is that thing on the left side? I'm not sure what it is. And then I got an edge brush and a necklace or a bracelet and some elastic bands. So the first thing I did was put my foundation in. I'll leave a link down below the exact foundation that I used this day. And you guys can see, even from the back of the wig, you guys, this thing is so silky. And then with the foundation, I didn't have to bleach the knots on it or anything. It was perfectly plucked, like it just went on effortlessly, and like the hair just laid. Like, I literally didn't even need to brush it or anything. To install it, I just used the black Got To Be Glued gel, and then I used the Got To Be Glued spray that's in the purple and blue container. So I just spray like one layer. I really don't even do that much because I take mine off usually the night of, you guys. I'm not like a long-term wig wearer, so I usually take mine off, but this usually does it for me. Like, you would actually have to wet it to remove it. And then I just pull the wig forward, and you guys will see it's just gonna melt into my skin. And I'm just going to use my comb to help melt it in some more. So now I'm just cutting the lace off, and you guys, don't be like afraid if you see any white casting. Just spray some of the hairspray onto like the end of a rat tail comb and just lay it down, and it'll be fine. And then I'm also going to go back over it with foundation, so I'm never really worried at this point. And then with the baby hairs, like, there's nothing to really worry about. So here I'm doing some baby hairs. I think I'm just doing 2 on each side, 1 by the temple, and then I'll do 1 down by my ear. Okay guys, I usually never show this part on camera, but today I had this cute little brush, so I decided to go ahead and show you guys. So I'm just using the same foundation from the beginning to like make me a part, because this might be a 13x4 if I'm not mistaken. Sideways there is a little bit more lace for a middle part, but for the side there wasn't that much, so I just went and kind of made the illusion with that foundation. And then I go back in with my foundation on like the hairline and right behind where I put the baby hair. So I feel like it helps. And then for straightening it, I really didn't even need to, you guys. I promise you, I literally just went over it, and it was silky, it was straight, and so pretty. So yeah guys, we're giving scalp, we're giving just everything. This is literally the best straight hair. Mark my words, as of today, now as of July 18th, 2021. If you ask me for a straight hair recommendation, this is just it. Like, the wig is pre-plucked, everything is just perfect. So thank you so much to ISEE Hair for sending me this wig. I give it a complete 10 out of 10, you guys. Straight out of the box. As of July 18th, 2021, this is my favorite straight hair wig. So if you guys liked, please be sure to leave me a huge thumbs up. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.